Hi, I am Umair Nisar. I am your mentor, instructor of mathematics. I welcome to my channel Think and Grow Rich to all the students from all over the globe. And thankfully to mathematics that connect us because in this era of globalization and technology, when world is too much interconnected through technology and different gadgets and different tools, mathematics also combine us, join us, connect us, because the formulas of sine theta, cos theta, tan theta are the same in everywhere, whether in India, Pakistan, Australia, USA, or other country. These formulas remain same, and these values of mathematics are basically common in human beings, whether wherever he is living. Or the point is that thanks to mathematics, that has further globalized the world. So everyone can listen to me from all around the world, whether from grade 1, grade 7, grade 8, grade 9 class, or any from college student or university student, or a learner of mathematics. Let us start. In today's lecture, what we will learn? We will learn how to calculate the value of sine 15 without using table. So how to calculate the value of sine 15 without using table? This is what we will learn here. We will learn here from here how to calculate the value of sine 15 without using calculator or table. So there are formulas, and first of all we come to the formula. We can write here sine 15 to sine 45 minus 30. The question is that why we write this? Why we write this? We can also write 15 as 30 minus 15, but we do not write 15 as 30 minus 15. Why? The reason is that the values what we have in our mind are of 30, 45 and 60. These are special angles. These are called special angles, and these values are we have remembered from early classes. That's why I write here 15 as 45 minus 30. So open this formula. Dear students, remembering formula or evaluating formula or opening the formula is very important in mathematics. Let us start, have a look. This is sine, and what sine say? If there is sine function, on other side there is opposite. If sine and when opening, then there would come opposite function. So sine means opposite function. What it simply means sine opposite, sine alpha minus beta, sine alpha, cos beta, these are opposite function. One is sine, other is cos, opposite function. Minus, here minus, cos alpha, cos beta, opposite function. So here, here is sine. Here are opposite function. Sine, cos, sine. So in other case, when there is cos, then what would be? Same function. It means it is cos, it would same function, cos alpha, cos beta. Here also same function, sine alpha, sine beta. Let us come to this problem. So how we'll open sine? It means evaluating the formula or opening the formula, we will have opposite function. So sine 45, cos 30 minus cos 45, sine 30. The same formula that has been opened here, we have used this formula here. Sine opposite. These are opposite. opposite function. Next, so what is the value of sine 45? Cos 30. Now we will put the value of sine 45, this value, this value, this value. So we will remember these values. Remember that sine 45 and cos 45 are always 1 over 2 square root. 1 over 2 square root. Sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. I guarantee, I give surety that if a student remember only one value, then he can remember other values easily. For example, sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So if sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2, it means in cos 60 will be 1 by 2. Sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 60 is equal to 1. What it means? Sine 30 is equal to cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. How simple is it? Sine 30, cos 60 1 by 2. Next, sine 60 is under root 3 over 2. It means cos 30 would be under root 3 by 2. So, sine 60 is equal to cos 30 is equal to under root 3 over 2. Similarly, sine 45 and cos 45 are always 1 over under root 2. Dear students, you are watching this lecture for calculating the values of sine 15. One thing that must be remembered in mind, one thing that must be noted is that if we have these values in our mind, then we can solve this problem very easily. If we have not these values in our mind, how we can solve the problem without tables or calculator? So, tables and calculator have made the life of mathematical calculation very easy. But on the other hand, our mental capabilities has run down due to these tables and calculators. So, in order to revive our mental capabilities, overhaul our mental capabilities to solve the problem, we will use this whole of the process. So, how wonder these formulas are, which gives us values without using tables and calculators. How wonder. So, again, we discuss here, sine 45 is equal to 1 over under root. Put value here. Cos 30 under root 3 over 2. You can say minus cos 45 and sine 45. This value 1 over under root 2. Sine 30 1 over 2. So here is sine 30 1 over 2. Cos 30 this value. Now we will solve this problem. Here, two terms are in fraction form. This is fraction, and these fractions are bound together by minus. So remember the rule: if two fractions are bound by plus or minus, then what we will do? We will take LCM, least common multiplication, and in this case, this term and this term are same, so this would be the least common multiplication, LCM. 2 under root 2. So, 2 under root 2. This is the LCM. So, this term and this are equal. This and this are same. So, put hand on it. After putting hand on it, what we have? Only under root 3. So, write here this term. Again, put this by this to what? Left, right here. Minus. Now, put hand on it. What? Left 1, right it. So, this is the answer. This is your answer. So we have calculated the value of sin 15. Under root 3 minus 1 over 2 to under root. We have calculated the value. Now we will calculate the value of cos 15. Now we will calculate the value of cos 15. So again, what we will write here? Cos 30 minus 15? No. Or cos 60 minus 45? No. Why? Because we have the values of sine and cos at 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. So we will write from here combination. From this combination of special angles. Cos 15 degree mean cos 45 minus 30. Then 45 minus 30 mean again 15 degree. So open the formula. Which formula we will apply here? Simply that formula. What this formula say? Cos same. If on one hand there is cos, other would be same. What mean? Cos alpha minus beta is equal to cos alpha, cos beta. These are same terms. Minus, then it converts into plus. Minus into plus. Sin alpha, sin beta. These are the same terms. Open here cos 45, cos 30 plus sin 45. Now put the value. This value and this value we learn here 1 over under root 2. Cos 30 is equal to under root 3 over 2 and sin 30 1 over 2. Solving the problem we have 2 under root 2. So what's same under root 3 plus 1 is equal to cos 45. This is what the value of cos 45. This is what the value of, cos 15. Cos 15. This is what the value of cos 15. This is what the value of sin. We have calculated two values, cos 15 and sin 15. Now we will calculate 15 degree. Tan 15 degree. You have learned the formula tan theta is equal to sin theta over cos theta. So tan 15 is equal to sin 15 over cos 15 is equal to, this is main fraction. So what is the value of sin 15? That put here. What is the value of cos 15? That. And here in this case, sin 45, cos 45, tan 45 mean? Tan 15 means sin 15, cos 15. You have value of sin 15 and cos 15. Put this value. So these will cut across. So tan 15 is equal to under root